This is an automatic bread sorting and packaging line, with a multi-layer mesh belt cooling tower connected to the front end. The bread is cooled quickly to retain the best taste. The cooled bread is smoothly transferred to the automatic sorting system through a flexible conveyor belt. The entire system uses food-grade PU or PVC conveyor belts, which are anti-stick, easy to clean, and have adjustable conveying speed, equipped with photoelectric deviation correction device, real-time detection and automatic adjustment to ensure the straight line of bread delivery. At the same time, the baffle on the conveyor line can be used to transfer the bread to the corresponding packaging line. The turning conveyor can be used to adjust the conveying direction and placement of the bread. The automatic feeding conveyor is equipped with an electric eye to detect the feeding situation, adjust the feeding speed, and the material spacing to prevent the packaging machine from cutting the material. It can be connected to oxygen absorber dispenser and tray dispenser. After the material is sorted, the bread will be packaged. It can be equipped with printer machine to print the production date, shelf life, batch number, etc. It can store a variety of product parameters and recipes without the need for repeated settings. Automatically adjust the generation length and does not require manual settings. The packaging speed can reach 250 bags minute.